Do you see the ducks? No, you don't see the ducks? You'll see them in a minute. See the little ducks? It's the Make Way for Ducklings ducks. Do you want to climb on the ducks?
Yeah.
All right.
I can climb on one duck.
Why don't you leave Sheepy in the stroller?
Sheepy can sit here.
Yeah. Okay.
I like the white.
Need to go that way? All right, Sammy, you want to climb on the big duck?
Yeah. That's the mommy duck.
That's the mommy duck.
It's big.
It's really big.
I was just you want to help me?
Yep, I want to help you so you don't fall down.
Me.
Are you sliding off? Baby, can you sit on the little duck?
I want to fly down the.
Say hi, Nana. Hi, Pappy.
Hi,
Wave at the camera.
Anna.
No, she's not behind the camera. She's just going to watch this later.
Mama.
Oh, then, Mama.
I got a flower for you.
Oh, that's nice to give a flower to Mr. Grady. What a good girl. Oh, here, let the camera smell the flower. Oh, nice.
It wants to smell
Look,
it.
baby's, oh, sniff, smells good. This baby's riding the ducks.
I want to ride.
Are you going to ride the littlest duck?
I want to ride the big duck.
Oh, careful, baby. You all right? Mwah. Mwah. You can climb on the duck. No, you can't pick the duck up. The duckies live here. That one too small? Running fast. There's a lot of them. Can you count all the duckies? Start with the mommy duck. 1.
2.
Counting's a very approximate thing at their age. Zoe, can you count the ducks?